my channel, The Media. I'm Andrew. In this channel, I'll be showing you guys my stock picks. And if you've been with me for a very long time, you know that I focus on disruptive innovation because these are the types of stuff that changes the way that we see things and we do things, and that's how we unlock exponential gains. If you like what you're hearing so far, consider subscribing to the channel and join me in my journey. Hello everyone, I mentioned that I was going to do the third video deep dive into the company that's going to be representing HCMC, Healthier Choices. For all of those investors who are looking into HCMC stock, I think this is a very good odds that they're going to be either get a settlement. I don't think that they're going to go to court just because the law firm that's going to be representing them is so reputable, Cozun O'Connor. So without further ado, in this video, I'm going to deep dive, talk about this company, how reputable they are, some of their major accomplishments this year, and possibly the team that's going to be representing them and the individual lawyers, or how decorated they are and their experiences. First, Cozun O'Connor is an international law firm based in Center City, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The firm was ranked 84th on the AmLam 100 survey in 2018. They rank 107 on the Global 200. First in the nation in the American Lawyer. This was a survey in 2017 and ranked 79th on the National Law Journals that lists 500 largest American firms in 2017. Obviously, this is stats for back then. Their current stat is rather impressive as well. So we're going to go into their website just for some of the more recent information. Cozun O'Connor has 775 plus attorneys. They are a widely recognized national practices in litigation, corporate, intellectual property, real estate, and labor employment, and extensive experience in a variety of practices areas. What caught my attention right away on their website is the fact that Cozun O'Connor was named Law Firm of the Year by the Legal Intelligencer. So this was published in November 12, 2020. It says here, as part of Legal Intelligencer's 2020 Professional Excellence Awards, Cozun O'Connor was named Law Firm of the Year in 2020. The Legal Intelligencer highlighted the firm's many legal victories as its reason for the honor, including the recent victory before the U.S. Supreme Court closing $510 million sale of a long-term client. This is a great award to have because it's based on wins. We consider for this honor, the firm had to enter submissions in the following categories: lawyers on the fast track, lifetime, and or best mentors, litigations, and or dealmaker categories. There is a number of their attorneys that have been named lawyer on the fast track or have been nominated and won lifetime achievement awards. But I was more interested in to dig into the team that will be representing them. The website reveals that on December 1st, 2020, their Cannabis team was named Law 360 2020 Practice Group of the Year in Cannabis. This is the second year in a row that the firm has been recognized with this honor. The Practice Group of the Year awards honor the law firms behind the litigation wins and major deals that resonated throughout the legal industry in the past year. And one of their attorney, earlier this year, Thomas O'Rourke, was named a rising star in cannabis. And I believe this guy is going to be part of the team that's going to be fighting for HCMC. So what is Law 360? Is this award something that's worth mentioning? This is something that is important for HCMC investors to know, is that they are the winner of Law 360 back-to-back. And to win this is based on litigation wins. And the wins can't be of something insignificant. It has to be a major deal that resonated with the legal industry within cannabis. And on June 5th, 2020, Super Lawyers selected 58 of Cozun O'Connor's attorney as rising stars. And this is a peer nominations, and evaluations are combined with independent research. This is based on their publications and their knowledge in what they're doing. This is from peer review. So only the peers will know their capability. I discovered that Thomas Wilkinson, one of the individuals who won this, if you see here that the industry sectors that he covers are cannabis, gaming, insurance, media, and entertainment. He has successfully represented the Southeastern Pennsylvania Transportation Authority, SEPTA, before the Pennsylvania Supreme Court, defeating an effort to overturn the statutory damages cap that limits recovery against state agencies to $250,000. All of his accomplishments He was reappointed chair of the DRI Lawyers Professionalism and Ethics Community, named as one of the best lawyers and the ones to watch by Best Lawyers in America. A number of other publications and nominations. He's definitely a decorated attorney. The other attorney that I think is gonna be part of this also appear on Rising Star pick that's from Cozun O'Connor. His name is Thomas O'Rourke, and he specializes specifically in cannabis. So here's a little biography on him. Thomas O'Rourke focuses his practice on litigation services in a wide range of industries and subject areas, including healthcare, manufacturing, food and products, cannabis, and entertainment matters. Thomas has experience representing businesses and individuals in complex commercial cases, including commercial contract disputes, business torts, and antitrust of both at state and federal levels. He has appellate experience in the Supreme Court, the Second Circuit, and the Fourth Circuit. Again, I think that even if he can't practice in the 11th Circuit Court, then they have a team that does all the preparatory work. And I think with this case, they're not going to go to court. They're going to get a settlement. And so what's really important in a settlement is all of the evidence and all the write-up that you do, and you front that information so that Philip Morris will see the argument, and you overwhelm them with the argument. So on September 1st, 2020, he was named to the National Laws Journal list of cannabis law trailblazers. So he's someone who specializes in cannabis. Thomas O'Rourke was also named Law 360 Rising Star in cannabis, and he has a number of publications. And let me just read out to you publications relating to marijuana and cannabis. First one was on March 15, 2018. It was the one where on federal judge to rule on fundamental clash between PA's Medical Marijuana Act and federal law. And on February 12, 2018. So as you can see, these are definitely very well experienced and decorated attorneys that's going to be representing HCMC, and they would not take a case if the chance of winning is not there, or at least a very high chance of a very nice settlement. HCMC has a very good shot at getting some settlement money from this company. So I think where it is currently traded right now, it's such a good odd. And that's the reason why there's been billions and billions of trades every single day this past couple of weeks, because I think Philip Morris might just trying to buy this company, HCMC, outright. February 26th, that's when the court date is. And so that's the reason why people have been buying up like mad since then. So all in all, I think if you're looking into investing some money into HCMC for the law case, I think the odds are pretty good. I hope that you find this information helpful, and comment below and let me know. Thank you very much. Happy trading.